Hi guys, welcome back to our video again. In this video, we are heading to the Hay Dairy, which is a goat farm. This place is pretty crowded because it's a weekend. And this place is all about goat. You'll see some informational, educational area about the sheep and goats, and also a milking station. So there's also a vending machine where you can buy some hay to feed the sheep or the goat. I guess it's good. Following the pavement down, you will enter the barn area. Before you can actually see them, you can actually smell them from far because of obvious reasons. The barn is actually sheltered all the way. There are multiple fans up there to keep it ventilated and also cool, so pretty comfortable place to hang around. The goat or the sheep are actually being separately housed based on age group and also their gender. And out of my surprise, I noticed it has very similar teeth structure as a human. They also offer some local produce and their dairy products, which is from the goat's milk. So it has your posticles that taste pretty milky, and also goat's milk that you can try them out. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.